This is a video introduction to the Gladinet Cloud Desktop. As a company, we are focused on delivering cloud services to your desktop and operating system. In this release, our cloud desktop can deliver your familiar web applications and online storage to your desktop and integrate them into the Windows operating system. After this integration, online storage may be accessed through local folders, and web applications become local applications. The main user interface of the Gladinet Cloud Desktop is a sys-tray application. Clicking on My Gladinet Drive takes you to all your virtual folders. Here I'd like to emphasize one of the powerful features of the Gladinet Cloud Desktop, and something that we're focused on as a company, and that is the seamless integration of cloud services with your desktop and local operating system. Here you can see that files and folders from cloud storage service providers are available as if they were embedded in your local operating system. Here I have my A drive storage mounted. I've also got my Amazon storage mounted as a local folder, and I can access these files as if they were embedded within my file system. So you see we have a seamless yet powerful integration between these cloud services and your desktop. The professional edition of the Gladinet Cloud Desktop provides an applications side panel for ease of access to commonly used functionality like mounting virtual directories, launching common tools, or configuring advanced features which are only available in the Professional Edition, like compression and chunking. Chunking is a pretty cool feature, one of my favorites. It splits large files into smaller chunks, which allows for reliable uploads and downloads, and also allows us to work around file size limitations that are enforced by some providers. The Virtual Directory Manager can be used to mount online storage. For example, to create a new Amazon storage folder, select Mount, Mount Amazon Storage, enter your credentials, and click Add. Now my credentials have been entered for me because I've stored them in a safeguard called Amazon Storage 1. In the Professional Edition, Gladinet Cloud Desktop provides a task manager. This tool allows you to view and manage your running, scheduled, pending, and failed tasks. Let's run through an example to see how the task manager works. One of the easiest ways to upload folders to cloud storage is to simply drag it to the virtual directory. Once you've done this, a scheduler window will appear. So if we want to upload our sample pictures to A drive, we're given several different options. In the Starter Edition, our only option will be to start the task immediately in the background, for performance reasons, of course. In the Professional Edition, we may also choose to start the task at a later time, schedule it to run as a recurring task, or create a backup task. Let's assume that we'd like this task to run every weekday at noon. Simply click on the days you'd like the task to run, and then select the time. Once we've done this, we can select the descriptive name here. The task should now appear in the Task Manager. From the Schedule Task pane, we can reschedule the task. If the task was running, we could pause it. We can delete the task. So let's say we're impatient and we'd like to start the task immediately. Okay, now we're building the subtask list. And the task disappeared, which probably means it just completed quite quickly. Yes, and here we see the task completed. The Professional Edition also provides a backup manager which allows you to back up multiple local folders to multiple cloud storage locations. To create a new backup set, first launch the Backup Task Wizard by clicking Add, then select the local folders you would like to have backed up. I am going to back up some MP3s. In the next step, I'll select the cloud storage locations where I'd like to have my backup saved. So I'm going to save it on Amazon and A drive. And in the final step, we select the backup methodology. And here we have three choices. We can select an automatic backup. In this case, the initial backup will start immediately, and then we'll scan your source folder for any changes. Those incremental changes will be backed up as soon as they occur. For the scheduled backups, and these can be on a daily schedule or on a custom schedule, in either case, we scan for changes once the initial backup has occurred, but the changes will only be uploaded at the appointed time. For now, let's select an automatic backup, and let's pull up our task manager to see how things have progressed. Okay, so we see the backup task is running. And we're still building the subtask list. And now we've begun the upload. Now we can manage this backup task as we would any other task from the task manager. Finally, with the Professional Edition, you may use the Settings Manager to customize Gladinet. For example, in the General settings, you can change the Gladinet drive letter. In the Upload settings, you can decide whether the cache should be deleted after upload. And as you can see, there are many more which could prove quite useful. We hope you have found this introductory video to be useful. If you have further questions or issues, please contact us by sending an email to support@gladinet.com. You can also send us feedback from the product itself. If you'd like to report an issue, please include your OS version and Gladinet version. If you haven't already done so, we hope you will take some time to download our Professional Edition and take a look at our features.